Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm collaborating with my very talented daughter, Stephanie. She's going to be showing you how to use wood carving to make woodcut prints. Basically, you're creating a big stamp, the wood carving, on a piece of wood, applying ink, and then pressing the paper down onto the wood carving. Then you can produce multiple prints to give away or sell. So sit back and watch my little girl do her magic. My daughter has created several wood prints, as you can see here. Many of these won her the Presidential Purchase Award at Georgia College, where she graduated with an art degree. If you want to learn more about Stephanie's artwork, check out the links in the description field. She also just opened an Etsy shop and has uploaded a few prints for sale. If you have any questions about the video, please leave them in the comments field. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.